Hello folks, this is a very short one just to explain how you can use your laptop and put directly some files on your controller. This will work also for the B4 controller, not only for the B5 controller. Let me show you how to do it. So the first thing you have to do is you will have to take your original stick that is delivered together with the machine. On that stick you have this file. That's a tool what will be installed on your laptop. You double click on it, follow the wizard, and that will be installed on your laptop, especially to share files between laptop and your controller. So when that is installed, it looks like this. That's the shortcut. Then you have to plug in your network cable to your controller. You can see that over here. That's the place to connect them. You can connect them then afterwards on your laptop. If you have a network card, you can use your network card. If you don't have a network card, you can use this kind of connectors. Then it's an USB connection. So if that's done, then you have to type here Ethernet settings. Here you have them. Okay, this is the unknown connector what is connected to here, and you have to fill in. If you click on it, then you can here use apply. You have to select, because original it will be automatic. You have to select manual, then you have to fill in the IP address 192.164.1.221. The length from the subnet is 24 and the gateway is 192.186.1.1. Don't forget the points. Okay, if that's done, you agree, apply. Now you can open the software. Your controller will be recognized. Sometimes you have to refresh the screen by unselecting and select all. Okay, if that's done, now you easily can say, okay, I want a file to my handset. Click on that one. You select the right file. Let me see if I have a file here. Here, for example, test2. Test2, you select it, open, and you get the message here that the file is transferred. Yeah. If I'm now looking to the controller, then I can easily say, okay, file. Instead of USB, I select intern. Okay, and there you have the test2. Okay, that's the file I need. And the screen on your laptop will follow the same screen. That's all. See you later, bye.